What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to remove the factory wire harness from his 1973 El Camino. As you can see right here, my wire harness is all chewed up. He made extra connections on it. It's just, look at this. It's just spaghetti, string, cut, tied in. So we're gonna take this out. In order to take this out, you have a screw right here. It looked like a 3/8, but I'm willing to bet you it's a 10. You go get this. See. Let's see. Nope. That's the wrong size, of course. Let's try this 3/8. 3/8 is too big, so it's gonna be a 10. See. Yep. All day. So once you get this, it's not too much to take that screw out. It's already loose. It should come right out. It's best just to replace this wire harness. One of the leads is out. Back up a little bit, Jay. And there you go. The whole wire harness is out. And that's it. Thank you.